Hello and welcome to Carrot Town Garage. This is our video review of our 1969 Ford F100 pickup truck, or as they say in Florida, pick me up truck. Might even say that in Texas too. Now, it's been fully restored, this car, absolutely superb. Belongs to a previous customer of ours who has had a few cars off us in the past, and it's stunning. I'm going to do a video walk around shortly, but you will see as you go around this. If you want a truck, this is the one to buy. It really is. It's been meticulously done. You've got modern radio in there, it's got some upgrades. Now, more crucially, she doesn't have power steering. However, she does have a complete brand new power steering kit ready to go on there, which the customer just has not had chance to do. We can do this and we can get this fitted for you at the garage, obviously at extra cost, but it's a very expensive kit. It's ready to go, and it's original too. That's another key thing. But anyway, I'm going to stop waffling on here. Let's get cracking and let's have a look around the truck. So here we are, 69 Ford F100. Right, I'm going to go and do some detail on this because it's such a good truck. So you can see the front grille there. Look at that. And the front bumper. All the chrome is lovely. We've got Cragars on there as well. I think they suit the car. Probably, if it was me, I would want white letter tyres, but that's just because I like that era. Now you'll notice she's got the small mirrors on there. Martin has bought the larger mirror kit. They are in the boxes, ready to be put into the truck. We've got a storage box down here, tool jack, etc. Here's the bed. Bit of nice wood planking would go well in there, wouldn't it? Like I say, this is a quality truck. Really, really good. The rear bumper chrome, look at that. You know, these things are all in the detail. If it was me, I would put the wood paneling in the back and paint the inside of the back in the same blue. Obviously without the intention of ever putting anything in there. She really does want the big mirrors though, that would just finish her off. The detail on this truck's awesome. Let me show you. There's the bin plate there. F10YRF93131. Driver's door card. And the door shuts there. Driver's seat. There's a mark on the seat there. It's just where the power steering hose had been sat, and it had a box on top of it. Original handbook and warranty card. 8-track player over there. 15,499 miles on the odometer. All the carpets are good. A little bit of fading on them, you can see on there. Kind of irrelevant on this age of vehicle. I've got a switch here, I think this possibly for the fuel, or a tap I should say. I'll come around and have a look in the passenger side. In the glove box, if I can open that, there we are. CD player and the emergency flasher switch, nicely tucked away. Okay, let's have a look under the hood. So here we are, that gorgeous V8. Again, under here is as good as the rest of the truck. Okay, let's start her up and see what she sounds like. So here she is running. Listen to that. And there you have it. That's our video review of our 1969 F100 pickup truck. Now, you'll have to agree with me, having looked at the video, this is a stunning truck. It really is. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.carrotttowngarage.co.uk. Please check it out. We've got loads of fun stuff on there. Give us a thumbs up on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. You can see the workshop and everything, and our merchandise. And hopefully once we get out of this COVID thing, we will open our coffee shop, and then you're more than welcome to come over, come and have a coffee, see what we do, and come and have a chat. That would be great. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.